So be throwing rocks and hiding their hand, right? They be throwing rocks and hiding their hand. And I don't like them kind of individuals.
A sucker is a nigga pick who he be fight with.
Right.
Like if you sitting and you go, oh, I'm not going because this. I think I can take him.
So 50 Cent just fired back at J Prince after J Prince allegedly tried to ban him from Houston. And guess what? 50's not playing nice this time. He's coming straight for J Prince, calling out all the shady dealings and what he claims is an extortion racket. Word is, J Prince has been sending folks to interfere with 50's business. But of course, 50 clapped back instantly. He's already clowning J Prince on IG and even challenged him to show up if he's really about that life. 50 supposedly has proof that could expose J Prince's whole operation. And trust, that's not the kind of fire J Prince wants right now. But, to be fair, J Prince still holds serious influence in Houston. He's got loyal people around him, so 50 definitely has to stay alert. This clash between two titans is shaping up to be legendary. Let's unpack it.
Insinuate, extorting people. You know, money in that real nigga ain't gonna have that no way. You know, check in for what? I mean, I don't want to impose or force.
50 made it clear he's not forcing his way into any city. Cent has been on J Prince's neck for years now. Their beef has always been intense, borderline volatile. 50's long rejected J Prince's whole checking in thing, and J Prince sees himself as Houston's king. Their issues stayed local, with 50 repping New York and J Prince holding down H-Town. They were in separate worlds, until 50 made it personal by moving to Houston. He didn't just relocate, he moved his entire business there. He first announced the move with a tweet, "I love New York, but I live in Houston now." The move made financial sense, too. He'd complained about New York's tax hikes, saying they were hurting his businesses, and you know how entrepreneurs are. They dodge Uncle Sam every chance they get. But it wasn't just about taxes. 50 had shown interest in being part of Houston's hip-hop scene. Houston is a major hub for rap and trap culture, and 50 saw it as the next smart move for his entertainment ventures. He also had his eyes on the market for his liquor brand, Branson Cognac. Remember when he was visiting all the local stores, promoting it? Some say he found his niche in Houston and wanted to keep things close, but J Prince saw it differently. He felt like 50 was stepping into his domain. Allegedly, J Prince tried to force 50 to check in, and even sent his team to pressure him into coughing up money. But 50 wasn't having it. He had his own security and wasn't about to be strong-armed under the guise of respect. To 50, a sucker is someone who picks only the fights they think they can win. And he threw that label directly at J Prince. That only made things worse. Rumors started swirling that J Prince tried to ban 50 from the city altogether, but 50 didn't flinch. He kept making moves, building his empire, and even creating opportunities for the local community. He had plans to open a $20 million film studio under G-Unit Film in Houston, but he eventually shifted that project to Shreveport, Louisiana. Why? Well, despite being welcomed,
Oh, it's a sucker to me. A sucker is a pick who he be fight with.
Right.
Like if you sitting and you go, oh, I'm not going because this.
I won't fuck with him, but I'll fuck with this one.
Yeah, I think I can take him.
Right.
You want to fight the nigga you think you can beat.
And I called J Prince.
the celebration happened during the Thanksgiving Day parade, and the mayor praised 50 as a philanthropist and game changer, especially for the youth. His G-Unity program helped transform high schoolers into entrepreneurs. The love was real, and 50 returned it. He didn't just come to live, he invested in the city and its people. That's why he was named the 2022 Grand Marshal and handed the symbolic key. While all this was happening, J Prince was reportedly fuming behind the scenes. 50 was quickly becoming Houston's favorite. And when you look at the facts, it's easy to see why. Since arriving, 50 has poured his resources into the community. His G-Unity Foundation launched programs to boost entrepreneurial skills in high school students. He's also made major moves in Houston's sports and entertainment world, securing deals with the Rockets, Texans, and Astros through his sire, Spirit's brand. In 2022, he launched the Houston Tycoon Comedy and Music Festival. That same year, he partnered with the Rockets to donate 1,000 turkeys to local families for Thanksgiving.
the city of Houston, but he didn't just come here to live. He has been helping out on so many causes in this city. And especially, he has been in our high schools, turning our high school students into entrepreneurs with his Unity Camp program. I've seen him firsthand. This city has been elevated because of his presence, and so today we have the honor of saying to him, he's our 2022 Grand Marshal. Give it up to Curtis 50 Jackson. Woo! Now, before I call on him to speak, let me present you first a key to the city of Houston. Anywhere you go, 550 buildings, use the key, the door will swing wide.
Then Jay Prince jumped into the mix. He made a video tagging YB, saying he had his stolen items and could return them. YB wasn't buying it. He blasted Jay Prince for posting it online instead of contacting him directly. To YB, it smelled like a scam, a bigger play to shake him down. YB said if Jay Prince was truly looking out for him, he would have kept things private. Instead, it came off as another flex meant to pressure him into paying. And YB isn't the only one. Cameron and Maze tore into Jay Prince on their podcast, It Is What It Is, clowning him for acting like a gangster at his age.
20 to get 25. 25.
Matter of fact, God darn it, 50 Cent, get out here.
Come on.
I know all the time I've spent with him, we've had some great times. He even tried to tell me to leave one night.
I gotta hang out with the people that can buy this stuff from me. I think Johnny might be on.
They called out the toxic big homie culture and slammed Jay Prince for sending others to fight his battles. Then there are the dice games. Rumors swirl that these games are setups too. Remember Takeoff? He tragically lost his life after attending one. Reports say a fight broke out, shots were fired, and a stray bullet hit him. But some claim it wasn't random, that it was retaliation for not checking in properly. Allegedly, Jay Prince wanted to teach them a lesson, but it spiraled out of control. And this isn't the only suspicious incident. Duke the jeweler also died after winning big at one of these dice games. He was ambushed before reaching his car, and didn't survive. So when you stack it all up, it's clear why 50 and Jay Prince will never see eye to eye. One is building up the city, the other is being accused of tearing it down. Now here's the twist. Rumor has it, Jay Prince has been trying to shut 50's operations down. But before he could act, 50 got wrapped up in drama with Big Meech. Jay Prince, who's always backed Meech, reportedly sent goons to warn 50 to back off. But 50 isn't one to be scared off. Instead, he doubled down, exposing the alleged extortion network and vowing to end Jay Prince's reign over Houston once and for all. Now the question is, should 50 be watching his back in Houston? Or does he have another trick up his sleeve to outplay Jay Prince again? Let us know what you think.